Very good morning to all. So today beta will start chapter number 21, that is volume. So before starting this chapter, you must know what is volume. So volume means the amount of space occupied by an object. So what is the meaning of volume? Volume means the amount of space occupied by an object. एक ऑब्जेक्ट ने कितना स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई किया है बेटा, उसको हम बोलेंगे वॉल्यूम. फाइन. And to measure volume, we use three dimensions. And what are these dimensions? These are length, breadth, and height. See, to measure area or perimeter, we use 2D shapes like length and breadth, base and height, etc. But here we will use 3D. 3D means three dimensions. 3D means three dimensions. So one is length, then breadth and height. Okay. Now tell me, what is the unit of area? Unit of area is square unit. Whenever you are calculating area, it must be in square unit. For example, centimeter square, meter square, kilometer square, etc. In the same way, to calculate volume, we use cubic unit. Which unit? Cubic. That is cubic centimeters, cubic meters, etc. So how you will write centimeter cube? This is the way to write centimeter cube. Either write like this, cubic centimeter, or write like this, centimeter cube. In the same way to write meter cube, you will write m and upside 3. This is meter cube. Or you will write cubic meter. Fine. Now, what is cube? You all have seen cube, right? Okay, give one example of cube. Do you know? Okay. Some of the geometry boxes are like a cube. Some are like cuboid also, and some are like cube also. Fine. Or you can see ice cubes. That's why we call them ice cubes. Okay. So that is the shape of cube. Now what is the volume of cube? L into L into L. L means length. Length multiply length multiply length. Or you can say side multiply side multiply side. Because of cube, all the sides are same. Here length, breadth and height, all the three are same. Of cube, all the 3Ds are same. Like in square, length and breadth are same, but in rectangle, length is different and breadth is different. In the same way, in cube, all the three sides, that is length, breadth and height, are same. But in cuboid, what is the difference between cube and cuboid? In cuboid, length, breadth and height are different, but in cube, all are same. So this is how you will draw cuboid. First of all, you will draw a rectangle like this. See, I am drawing here for you. First of all, you will draw a rectangle. Then another rectangle you will draw like this. Now join them. Join these edges. So this with this edge with this edge with this, and this edge with this. So this is how you will draw a cuboid. And how you will draw a cube? First of all, you will draw a square, then another square, and then you will draw edges. Then you will join the edges like this. Okay. So here, this is the length of cuboid. In the same way, this will be the length of cube also. But in cube, all the three are same. I told you many times. This is the height of the cuboid and this is the breadth. Okay. And what is the volume of cuboid? L into B into H. L means length, B means breadth, and H means height. Okay. Now directly come on the exercise 20.21.1. See, in the first question you need to find the volume of cuboid. So this is the cuboid given to you. Here length is given 8 centimeters, breadth is given 2 centimeters, and height is given 5. So what is the volume of cuboid? Volume of cuboid is L into B into H. So L is 8 centimeters, B is 2 centimeter, and H is 5 centimeter. So first of all multiply these two. 8 multiply 2 is 16. You need to multiply these units also. Like here, unit is given centimeter. So multiply centimeter with centimeter, it will be centimeter square. Like we are multiplying in area. When we are multiplying the units, they will come in square. Now here 5 you'll write as it is. Now multiply 16 with 5. 16 fives are 80. Multiply these units also. This is centimeter square and this is centimeter. When you'll multiply it, it will be centimeter cube. Okay. So volume of cube or cuboid is always in cubic centimeter or cubic meters. Fine. Now come on question number B. In question number B, you need to find out volume of cube. What is the formula to find volume of cube? The formula is side multiply side multiply side. And here side is given 3 centimeters. So 3 centimeter multiply 3 centimeter multiply 3 centimeters. Now multiply first these two. 3 multiply 3 is 9. Centimeter multiply centimeter is centimeter square. And this 3 centimeter you will write as it is. Now multiply 9 with 3. 9 threes are 27. Centimeter square multiply centimeter will be centimeter cube. Okay. Now question number B, we'll do fifth one because this is of decimal number. So volume of cube, again s multiply s, that is side multiply side. Here side is given 8.5, so that's why I've written here 8.5. Now multiply 8.5 with 8.5, it will be 72.25. Please don't say it's 72.25 because after the decimal you will call each digit separately. So it is 72.25. Multiply 8.5 as it is. Now multiply these two numbers and your answer is 614.125 centimeter cube. Okay. So unit, why I have written in cube I told you. Now come on question number C. This is question number C. Here first one is the breadth of cuboid is 24 centimeter. The length is 7 centimeter and the height is 5 centimeter. Find its volume. So what is the volume of cuboid? Volume of cuboid is L into B into H. So all the three are given to you. Just multiply these three numbers and you will get the answer. Okay. Now second one is a tank has length 12 meters, breadth 8 meters and depth. Depth means height. Again, all the three units are given to you. All the three things are given to you. You just need to multiply. In the same way, third also you will do like this. Now come on fourth one. Here, volume is given to you. Volume is given to you. Length is given to you. Breadth is given to you. And you need to find height. This is different, beta. Here you need to find height where volume, base and volume, length and breadth is given to you. So how you will do this question? See. Length of cuboid is given to you, that is 216 centimeter cube. Sorry, volume of cuboid is given, that is 216 meter cube. Length is given, breadth is given. So we know volume of cuboid is L into B into H. Here volume is given 216, so that's why I've written here 216. L is 12, B is 3, H we need to find, so here you have to write H only. Now you can solve these two numbers. 12 multiplied 3 is 36. H as it is, 216 as it is. Now you have to find out H. I already told you whenever you have to find, means whichever you have to find, that must be alone. So here you need to shift 36. आपको 36 को यहाँ पे shift करना पड़ेगा. And whenever you are shifting any multiply number, so that will be converted into division. So here either write 216 divide 36 or write 36 in denominator because denominator means division. Now divide these two numbers and the answer is 6 centimeter. So height is 6 centimeter. Now your homework is complete 21.1 in notebook. Thank you.